Alright YouTube, we're going to take this fence, this pallet layout, we're going to put these privacy boards on it. Let's get it done. And that, ladies and gentlemen, is how you add it. Add planks to pallet fence. Now, will this withstand a hurricane? I don't know. So criticize me all you want and say this will fall over, but let's just see if it stands the test of time. That's the previous pallets, and now with this 6 foot, let's see the back side of it. I added a wider board for the edge just to make it look. Yes, I'm gonna do the rest of this eventually. This is what the back end looks like. Still got those pallets, but just added the front fascia, and I put those top boards, these boards along the top, because the tops were bowed out. And now this is perfectly plumb and new. Is there bends and crinkles and wrinkles and waves? Yes. But again, when is anything on my channel perfect? Never. For those who are just joining us, subscribe, like, dislike, whatever the case may be, but most of all, subscribe. Thanks for watching.